Alright, so here's the 3D printed crash things. A couple of them didn't really start out right. They kind of printed a little funky. So I'm going to print some extras. Um, I've got the fourth one somewhere else, and then there's another one printing. So I need to replace two of them that don't look all that great. I don't know how well these are going to work, but I crashed it earlier yesterday, just low in the ground. It went right into a little post, and it doesn't just shut off when it flips over. Just kind of annoying. It was like laying on its side like this. It was like, it's like, really? Should you be able to tell that you're not, I don't know, working right? Although I guess then you wouldn't be able to do flips or something. Anyway, I found a lot of stuff for this thing. Like you can, there's numbers on these. 4K at 30 frames per second. Anyway, unfold the front arms second. Unfold the rear arms first. Anyway, that's what it looks like. I'll get the other ones done. I'm printing the other one right now. It's funny because it's my 1-year appendix removal anniversary. And I don't feel good. The stomach hurts, kind of a little bit, just a little, not great. Anyway, working on that. We'll probably just keep doing a couple more. Yeah, I don't feel real good. Everybody's kind of got like allergies and stuff today. There's something, the weather's been kind of warm, like almost 70 degrees today, and then like 34 at night. So I think, man, I don't know, something's going around again. And then other people like haven't been feeling good again too. It's like I'm just tired of, like, it seems like ever since 2020, everybody's sick all the time. So I don't really feel like doing anything. I'm just gonna print a couple of these. Probably just do nothing.